Hi there everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Well, a neighbor of mine recently asked me if I would go install a French drain in his yard, and I love digging holes in my neighbor's yard, so that's what we're up to today, so stick around. You want to be in the YouTube video as well? Okay. Alright everybody, this is my neighbor Travis. Travis, will you tell everybody what we're doing here today?
We're gonna put in some drain tile to help hopefully get rid of some water in my yard.
He's got a little water feature in your yard. I'll include that video that you sent me on this, so it'll look pretty cool. So we're gonna do a drain tile all the way down. We got Travis's dad here. He really doesn't, he's kind of camera shy. We probably won't get him. But we're gonna dig real close to this wall, so I'm about as close as the wall as I can get. We're just gonna dig with the backhoe. We're gonna see how it works. All right, we'll set you guys up somewhere so you can watch the show. Bring that wheelbarrow under it. Yep. There we go. Sorry about that, but there we go. Good. You're on the money there. Alright, we're going to move up a little bit. Can you do that with this one? I'm going to try this little trick here. Oh, there you go. There you go. That's cheating. There we go. That's how it's done. Look at this, it's just coming up in strips. What a deal. Yeah, there we go. Let me help you a little bit here. We're a little slow. There, hey, alright, alright. Let's fold it like a pair of pants. There you go. There it is. Like I said, it's like the sod was just laid yesterday, you know?
Yep. You know, and with it not even having ruts and how much that grows too.
Yeah. Hey, friendly bear.
Hi.
How are you?
What do you think about what Daddy's doing? Good. Does it look good? Hi, Daddy.
Here we go.
That looks good to you, Mom.
there, guys. Well, it is day 2. We're gonna head back over to the neighbors, and I think we're gonna move some rock and put it in that French drain trench. So they've been doing some work over there this morning. I think they're all set for rock, so let's go give them a hand. Well, folks, I'd like to introduce you to my young neighbor, Eli. Can you say hi to everybody in YouTube world? Hi. Eli's a good kid. He's a former student of mine. I don't know if I'll have you in my class this year, but good job with the camera work, buddy. So the plan is we're moving all this dirt into the dump trailer, as you saw, and another neighbor wants the dirt dumped on his lot, so that's what we're gonna do. So our whole travel mileage is probably going to be less than a mile from where he wants it, and we have plenty of rock, and there's more rock coming. So between the neighbors in the neighborhood, the rock will be distributed. And what Travis is doing right now is he's laying down some landscape fabric, and from where the rocks start, from where this French drain is back, is all going to be rock. And then Travis is going to plant some nice plants in here. I think I even have some hostas and plants along our fence line that he can have. So that's the plan. He's going to put down some black dirt, lay some landscape fabric over that, and then I'm going to fill on top of the landscape fabric with more rock. And I'm just kind of saving a trip, removing the excess dirt on one trip, coming back, place some more rock. So I'm having all kinds of fun. They seem to be sweating a lot, though. They're working way too hard with hand tools. Those poor guys, I tell you. I love tractor time. That says, can you figure it out? Up. Up, that's the one. Look at, you're a professional. I think you've done this before. Hey, is that sweat coming down your brow there? Is that a sweat? You're working so hard? It's just one button, man. You shouldn't be sweating. All right. Hey, we lucked out. That was a nice clean one. Guess what button you can push now? The down button. So my neighbors over in this area, they have this real big giant retaining wall that the city put in when they started this development over here. And it's always been an issue with water. So what we did today is we put in that drain tile and laid some river rock in there, and it's helping. It's already coming out the end of the tile where we ended, and it should resolve a problem. This is really squishy. If I had any other kind of machine, I probably would have tore this up. Maybe something with tracks would have been a little bit better, but anything bigger than my tractor would have been terrible. So we're going to interview the homeowner here. Travis did all of the work today, and I love your shirt, by the way.
Thank you.
The A-Team. So to all my Canadian friends that watch the channel, we're sponsoring you a little bit today. So Travis, you moved a lot of dirt. I didn't really move that much. I moved a lot with a tractor.
Yeah, you did.
I didn't sweat half as much as you did. You think this is going to resolve your problem you've had?
I hope so. If not, I'm going to be extremely disappointed for all the hard work we did today.
Now you put your house up for sale, right?
Yep, exactly.
Hey Lenny, you're not going to get away without being on camera. Why don't you just tell all of my subscribers hello, and And you used the shovel a little bit today too.
I had to be the supervisor and lean on the shovel.
So we had some good supervision here. In fact, being in a suburban area, you get a lot of people that just show up. How many supervisors did we have? I know we had,
at one point we had 5 or 6.
we had 5 supervisors. So this job has been well supervised. Everything should pass inspection. And to all my Canadian friends again, we are sponsoring you. And to all my other subscribers from other places, thanks for watching. And as always, keep on tractoring and God bless.